When descending a long, steep downgrade, the most important factor for safe control is A. Staying in the highest gear possible. B. Using a lower gear before descending. C. Using brakes continuously. D. Relying on the parking brake. Answer B. Shifting to a lower gear before descending uses engine braking to maintain safe speed and reduces brake overheating. What should you do if your air pressure warning light comes on while driving? A. Stop immediately in a safe place. B. Ignore it if the brakes feel fine. C. Pump the brake pedal. D. Continue to the nearest stoplight. Answer A. The warning indicates air loss. Stopping safely prevents total brake failure. You are inspecting your tires and find one is underinflated. You should A. Continue driving to a service station. B. Replace or repair it before driving. C. Add air quickly and leave immediately. D. Ignore it if only slightly low. Answer B. Underinflation causes excessive heat buildup, risking blowouts and reduced control. The purpose of the pre-trip inspection is to A. Check for passenger comfort. B. Ensure the vehicle is safe to operate. C. Save fuel. D. Avoid cleaning duties. Answer B. The pre-trip inspection ensures vehicle safety and compliance with DOT regulations before operation. When double clutching during downshifting, the correct sequence is A. Clutch, neutral, release, clutch, shift to lower gear. B. Shift directly without clutch. C. Clutch once and shift quickly. D. Neutral then brake. Answer A. Double clutching synchronizes engine and transmission speeds for smooth shifting. What is the danger zone for most large commercial vehicles? A. Directly behind the cab. B. 20 feet in front and 30 feet behind the truck. C. Between the trailer axles. D. Only on the right side. Answer B. These blind spots are the most dangerous areas where cars are not visible to the driver. If your brakes fail while driving downhill, your first action should be to A. Turn off the engine. B. Shift into a lower gear. C. Pump the brakes repeatedly. D. Steer off the road immediately. Answer B. Engine braking through a lower gear helps slow the vehicle when service brakes fail. When inspecting hydraulic brakes, the fluid level should be checked. A. Before every trip. B. Only during annual maintenance. C. When brakes feel firm. D. After each refueling. Answer A. Hydraulic fluid should always be checked pre-trip to prevent brake failure due to leaks. A vehicle's center of gravity is higher when it is A. Empty. B. Lightly loaded. C. Fully loaded. D. Carrying cargo on the roof. Answer D. Cargo stacked high raises the center of gravity, increasing rollover risk. When approaching a railroad crossing, you should A. Cross quickly without slowing. B. Look both ways and listen for trains. C. Stop only if lights are flashing. D. Follow the car ahead closely. Answer B. Looking and listening ensure the crossing is clear. Stopping may be required by law for some CMVs. Which of the following is most likely to cause a skid? A. Driving on dry pavement. B. Sudden braking on wet roads. C. Gradual steering. D. Low engine RPM. Answer B. Sudden braking or acceleration on slippery surfaces often causes loss of traction and skidding. What is the main reason for inspecting your cargo? A. To avoid fines. B. To ensure it is secure and balanced. C. To improve gas mileage. D. To make it look neat. Answer B. Properly secured and balanced cargo prevents load shifts and accidents during transit. When should you use your mirrors the most? A. When starting the engine. B. Before and after lane changes. C. When parked. D. Only during turns. Answer B. Frequent mirror checks are critical when merging, turning, and braking to monitor surrounding traffic. If a tire blows out, the driver should A. Apply brakes immediately. B. Hold the steering wheel firmly and ease off the gas. C. Turn sharply to the side. D. Downshift quickly. Answer B. Maintaining control and gradually slowing down prevents loss of stability after a blowout. When parking on a downgrade, you should always A. Turn wheels toward the curb and set parking brakes. B. Leave wheels straight. C. Face wheels away from the curb. D. Leave the transmission in neutral. Answer A. Turning toward the curb and engaging brakes prevent the vehicle from rolling downhill. The proper way to test the parking brake is to A. Pull it while moving fast. B. Engage it while parked and attempt to move. C. Step on the brake pedal. D. Check it only at the end of the trip. Answer B. A parking brake test ensures it holds the vehicle stationary when engaged. If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should A. Accelerate to regain traction. B. Brake firmly. C. Release the accelerator and steer straight. D. Turn sharply. Answer C. Letting off the accelerator allows tires to regain contact with the road without loss of control. Why must air tanks be drained daily? A. To reduce oil contamination. B. To remove moisture and oil buildup. C. To prevent fuel loss. D. To improve braking distance. Answer B. Moisture can freeze in cold weather, blocking airflow and reducing brake effectiveness. When driving in fog, the best lights to use are A. High beams. B. Hazard lights only. C. Low beams or fog lights. D. Turn signals. Answer C. Low beams or fog lights provide better road visibility by minimizing glare in foggy conditions. If your truck starts to jackknife, the best response is to A. Accelerate quickly. B. Apply the trailer brakes only. C. Release brakes to let the wheels roll freely. D. Turn the steering wheel hard. Answer C. Releasing brakes allows traction to return and helps the vehicle straighten.